How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of a big forehead for guys. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So there are a few tips I will give you that can help you appear to have a smaller forehead. Let's go over some of them right now. Tip 1, this is probably the best tip I can give you and one that really you need to follow, and that is watch what kind of haircut you are rocking. If you have a very short haircut, it will make your forehead look bigger. Generally, it's a good idea for people with big foreheads to grow their hair out a little. That way the hair will be in front of the forehead and cover it up and make it appear smaller. Trust me on this one, I have seen people with huge foreheads that don't look as good because they have their hair short. So if you want a good forehead, make sure your hair is longer in the front. Very important, you guys. But again, if you try to have a very short haircut, your forehead will show a lot and it will make it appear bigger. I recommend you try a few different haircut styles until you have found the one that you really like. Again, a lot of this is just experimenting with your hair until you find the right one. Don't stick with the same haircut you have. If you don't like it, if it makes you unhappy, then switch it and try something different. Trust me, it will work, you guys. Tip 2, wear a hat in certain situations. If you can, I highly recommend wearing a hat or toque. This drastically hides a big forehead. I know in some situations you can't cover your forehead, but if you are outside or if you are just at home and you want to wear a toque or a hat, all the power to you. Again, in most situations, you will be able to do this. In some cases, you may not be. Like in certain schools, hats and toques aren't allowed. But again, try the haircut out and it should help you out. Tip 3, don't stress out about it. Chances are you are the only one who thinks it's big. Maybe a few people have made fun of you in the past, but don't let a few bad apples ruin you. Chances are most people don't even think it's big. Just continue to be yourself, be a good person, and don't worry what the negative people and rude people have to say about you. Just continue to do you. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.